how to enable airplane mode for offline playing Candy Crush Saga. First, why we use airplane mode. Want to play Candy Crush without distraction? Turn on airplane mode. It lets you play offline, avoid ads, save battery, stop notification from popping up while crushing candies. Let's turn on airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner. Tap the airplane mode icon. Make sure Wi-Fi and cellular data are disabled. Now your phone is completely offline. With airplane mode on, launch the game. You won't be able to send or receive lives, asset leaderboard or events, sync progress to cloud, but you can still play levels that are already downloaded. Before turning on airplane mode, open the game while connected to the internet. That way, Candy Crush can catch your level progress so you can continue offline. Like if this helped and subscribe for more sweet hacks. See you in the next one.